These aren't the droids you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
He can go about his business.
Okay, those weren't the droids we're looking for, but these are. This is at the Droid Depot at Galaxy's Edge, located in Disney World. Or that's the location that we're at. We have one in Disney World and Disneyland. Here's a little shot of the outside. Heading inside, you can see the conveyor belt of parts, some of the figures on the wall, the station where you assemble your robot, as well as some of the cast members to help you. First, you decide on whether you want to build a B model or an R model. B model is similar to BB-8. R model is similar to R2-D2.
What do you want to build? You want me a body, a head? What is that? What is that?
Once you've made your decision, you go up front and pay for it. It is going to be $99.99 or a little over $100 after tax. They give you a basket with instructions on the parts that you need for assembly, and you can pick out from the conveyor belt the kinds of colors and the types of the heads and designs that you want. I went with the R series, the R2-D2, and I went with mostly the color black. In fact, the entire color black, because that is my favorite color.
Awesome.
I don't know. What do you like this one?
Or gosh.
I feel like I like the R2, but that's just me. But
Our little black baby that we adopted.
Okay, so a few things about the R series. For the legs, you're going to want to make sure that the wires are facing the same direction as the front of the droid.
Once you finish designing your droid, you take all the parts over to the assembly station where a cast member assists you with assembling the robot. There's instructions on the map below, as you can see. And if you need any help like I did, there's always the person to help you behind the counter, so don't worry if you have any questions or concerns or if you're just struggling.
Hit the alert click button and I will be right there to assist you.
Okay.
On the way, wires in the front.
Oh.
There we go. And you're going to want to remember to drill in the legs.
Already broke it.
Just gotta put a little more pressure on it for the next one. Push it down a little bit. There we go. Perfect.
Look at our baby.
Now, we have white, blue, red, and black to choose from.
Okay, we have 25 minutes. Where do they go?
So the front panels are gonna go over the silver part there, and the side panels are going on the side.
On this step, you're able to customize more with different colored accessories, although you have less color options than you did in the beginning when picking out your droid parts. I went with white and then mostly black accessories. This time, the other people in my party, they completed their droids. So here is the BB-8 series and how it looks and operates. It's quite cute.
You want to check out the white one as well?
Yeah. Oh, I like the black. See the white. We can go Oreo. Do you like white or do you like black?
Black is sleek.
I like the black.
Black? Okay. There you go.
It's not cut. Okay. So, everyone's going to take care of it. Okay?
Activating. Alright, go ahead and press that red button for me. Bam! Alright, so looks like
Here I'm getting a mini driving lesson on how to operate my new little droid. It's very simple controls. You press the buttons, it goes right, left, sideways, turns, a button to beep. And there's a button that if you purchase additional accessories, it would, like, the arms would come out, but we didn't get any of those. Here's a shot of the additional accessories if you wanted to purchase, but they costed extra money. You could get personalities, but we couldn't hear them.
Can you hear any of those?
You could also get stickers or the drinking holder set. You could also get a backpack that doubled as a carrying case for your droid, but we didn't find any of that stuff necessary and thought just the droid itself was cool. They come in a little carrying case to walk around the parks with. I recommend doing this later in the day because they are kind of a hassle when you're going on rides. They do get kind of heavy after a while, so do it later in the day than earlier. If you don't turn them off, they do beep randomly throughout the day. They do interact with each other. It's a very cool feature. The R2 unit has a harder time going on rough terrain, although it's much easier on smooth terrain like at home. Sometimes the head and the controls do stick, but overall I think it's a really great toy and I love him as an addition to our family.